When installing a water line and electrical conduit in the same trench, there is a specific order to follow to ensure safety and prevent damage. The typical hierarchy is firstly the water line, specifically the potable water line, and secondly the electrical conduit, if it is plastic. Depth requirements are critical. The water line must be buried at a minimum depth determined by local code requirements to prevent freezing. Typically, this depth ranges from 18 to 36 inches underground. The electrical conduit must be buried at a minimum depth of 18 inches. This depth helps protect the conduit from accidental damage during excavation or other activities. Regarding placement, the water line should be installed below the electrical conduit. This is to prevent the electrical conduit from being damaged if the water line leaks or breaks. The electrical conduit should be installed above the water line to ensure easy access for maintenance or repairs. Spacing is also important. Maintain a minimum horizontal spacing of 12 inches between the water line and the electrical conduit. This spacing helps prevent interference between the two utilities and allows for proper installation and maintenance. Some additional considerations to keep in mind are that trenching operations should be coordinated with local utility companies to ensure proper placement and compliance with codes and regulations. Use caution when digging in areas where utilities are present, and always call 811 before excavating. The depth of the water line is critical to prevent freezing, and local codes dictate the specific requirements, often between 18 and 36 inches. The 18-inch minimum depth for the electrical conduit protects it from accidental damage. Proper placement of the water line below the electrical conduit is crucial to minimize damage to the electrical system in the event of a water leak. Conversely, placing the electrical conduit above the water line allows for easier access during maintenance or repairs. The 12-inch horizontal spacing between the two utilities minimizes potential interference and facilitates safe maintenance procedures. Always coordinate trenching with local utility companies to ensure adherence to codes and regulations, and exercise caution while digging, calling 811 before starting any excavation. The hierarchy of the water line being below the electrical conduit ensures that any potential water leaks do not directly impact the electrical system. By burying the water line deeper, it is less susceptible to freezing, especially in colder climates. The 18-inch depth for the electrical conduit provides a reasonable level of protection from surface activities such as gardening or landscaping. The 12-inch separation is a standard safety measure to prevent accidental contact or damage to either utility during maintenance. Calling 811 is a vital step to identify and mark any existing underground utilities before commencing any digging activities. This helps prevent damage to critical infrastructure and ensures the safety of the excavation crew. Following these guidelines contributes to a safer and more reliable underground installation. Ignoring these guidelines can lead to costly repairs, service disruptions, and potential safety hazards. Remember that local codes and regulations may have specific requirements that supersede these general recommendations. Always consult with local authorities and utility companies to ensure compliance. The importance of proper depth for the water line cannot be overstated, as freezing can cause significant damage and disruption to water service. The 18-inch minimum depth for the electrical conduit is a balance between providing adequate protection and minimizing the cost of installation. The 12-inch separation is a practical compromise that provides sufficient clearance for most maintenance activities. Coordinating with local utility companies ensures that all underground utilities are properly identified and marked, preventing accidental damage during excavation. Calling 811 is a free service that connects you with local utility companies who will mark the location of their underground facilities. This is a critical step in preventing damage to underground utilities and ensuring the safety of the excavation crew. The proper installation of underground utilities is essential for maintaining a safe and reliable infrastructure. Following these guidelines helps prevent damage, reduces maintenance costs, and ensures the safety of the public. Always prioritize safety and consult with local experts before undertaking any excavation activities. The order of installation is based on minimizing risk, where water leaks pose a greater threat to electrical systems than vice versa. Proper depth ensures protection from environmental factors and physical damage. Adequate spacing allows for independent maintenance and prevents unforeseen interactions between the two systems. Consulting with local utility companies guarantees adherence to local regulations and prevents unintentional disruption of services. Polling 811 is a simple but essential step that can prevent serious accidents and property damage. Ultimately, responsible and informed trenching practices contribute to a safer and more sustainable community. By following these guidelines, you contribute to the longevity and reliability of essential underground infrastructure. Always remember that safety should be the top priority when working with underground utilities. This knowledge also applies to other scenarios where utilities intersect. Always prioritize the system that poses the greater risk of damage. For example, a gas line should be treated with even greater care than an electrical conduit. The principles of depth, spacing, and coordination remain the same, but the specific requirements may vary depending on the type of utility. Remember to consult with local authorities and utility companies for specific guidance on any underground installation project. Safe digging practices are essential for protecting underground utilities and ensuring the safety of the community. This includes proper planning, careful excavation, and the use of appropriate safety equipment. Always be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to prevent accidents. By following these guidelines and using common sense, you can help prevent damage to underground utilities and ensure the safety of yourself and others. The principles discussed are applicable to a wide range of underground installations, not just water lines and electrical conduits. The same consideration should be given to gas lines, communication cables, and other underground utilities. Proper planning and coordination are essential for any successful underground installation project. This includes identifying all existing utilities, obtaining the necessary permits, and developing a detailed excavation plan. Safe digging practices are essential for preventing damage to underground utilities and ensuring the safety of the excavation crew. This includes using hand tools when working near underground utilities, supporting trench walls to prevent collapse, and providing adequate ventilation in confined spaces. Always be aware of the potential hazards associated with underground utilities and take precautions to prevent accidents. This includes wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, using ground fault circuit interrupters for electrical tools, and avoiding contact with underground utilities. By following these guidelines and using common sense, you can help prevent damage to underground utilities and ensure the safety of yourself and others. These rules are not only important for compliance but for public safety as well. The horizontal separation of 12 inches, in particular, is a crucial safe distance that allows a worker to repair one line without accidental contact with the other. The 18-inch burial depth of the electrical conduit is also there to keep any damage from above to a minimum.